Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I just wanted to share with you a video on how I make hot cocoa bombs. And the first thing you're going to need is a silicone mold, and this one I bought off of Amazon, and I believe they're 2.5 inch in diameter. And you also want any type of edible sprinkles that you'd want to put into the cocoa bombs. You need marshmallows, whatever type of hot cocoa that you like, and some chocolate candy melts. Now take the candy melts and put a few in a bowl, and then you're going to microwave that about every 30 seconds until it's completely melted and it's smooth. Then take your mold and you take a spoon and just add the chocolate to it and start coating it. Try to do a thin layer first, and you want to just make sure that every bit of that mold is covered. But you will take it again after you put it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to take it out and you're going to coat it for a second time to make sure that you're getting all of the sides and everything, especially at the rim, because that's where it's going to adhere to each other. Then after 10 more minutes, just pop them out. Just carefully do it so that way they don't break. Once you have them all out, add about anywhere from a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of cocoa. Then add your sprinkles or the little candies into the mold. And you also want to add as many marshmallows as you can to it. Now in the second mold, I chopped up some Andes mints and put some sprinkles in the peppermint one. For some reason my camera did not record that. And then I added some marshmallows. Now just melt that chocolate just a little bit. You don't want to melt it too much. Just on the rim. And then you're adding it to the other sphere. And then just kind of, once you get it on there, take any of the chocolate and just kind of smooth it out, because you want that as one whole piece. And then I just took some white chocolate, sprinkled it over each one of the bombs, and then I put peppermint on the peppermint one, and then I just put a few little candy sprinkles on the other one for the raspberry cocoa. And these are how these turned out, and I thought they turned out great. Then make sure that you have a mug that is big enough for these. Add whichever one you want. This is the peppermint one. And then add about 6 ounces of hot milk over it. And I think kids would enjoy having this as a sweet treat. I think they would enjoy seeing the little marshmallows pop out of the mold. And then of course I have to have my Ready Whip on top of this hot cocoa. And add some sprinkles. Just makes it a little bit more festive. And enjoy this with a nice Christmas movie or just sitting around with your family. This would make a nice treat for those cold winter nights. If you like this video, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos, and I thank you all for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.